Maweni and Skoteni are back at it again fighting. And you will remember these two have proven to us time and time again that lightning and thunder are not their areas of expertise. Now they are back at it with Skotilisha saying that Mawizi's husband Sabelo has cheated and impregnated another lady. And there's even a leaked audio where Maweni is busy instructing Sabelo on how to dump this lady. And you will hear for yourself in the audio that this man Sabelo is really scared of Mawizi. He keeps on saying, yeah, I have a wife, Lana. Me and Mgami are busy trying to build. Yeah, you can hear this man is scared out of his mind. I don't know what she did for him to be this scared of her. And in Mawizi's style in the audio, she's busy threatening to bewitch this lady. Like, it's crazy. And I keep asking myself, girl, how many times are you willing to embarrass yourself for this man? How many times are you willing to threaten bewitching women for this man, over this man? When is this gonna stop? How many women are you willing to fight over this man? Because it really doesn't seem like he's gonna stop cheating on you. Even in the audio, you can hear that Sabelo is only saying the things he's saying because Maweni is here, by his ear telling him what to say. Otherwise, I doubt he would break up with that girl he allegedly impregnated. People are even saying that Maweni is a hard worker. If this man is really cheating on her, she can do it on her own. Nobody understands why you'd stay with a man that cheats on you, that you take care of financially. But hey, she keeps on saying repeatedly in the audio that she'll never leave this man for a girl like that. I'm paraphrasing. You'll hear for yourself. Let me stop rambling. So take a look at what Skotilisha is saying.
Ngakhumbula uBoy ngiba life ngiyakhuluma into engaziyo. Ngakhumbula uBoy ngiba life. So kusho ngiba life njalo ke ngoba ngimkhumbula njalo. Akunala allegedly la, allegedly yani ngine proof. Ngizalazi ngifuna proof. Eze ngithatha kancane. Akunala allegedly engizoyisho.
Hala ngibambile.
Yeah, koni video ngizokusendela yona. Hey uyani? Uyaba ulisa umzala kamzala.
Thini kimi?
Ngiyakutshela. Akusiyo. Ola kuyashisa emshadweni, wonke umshado uneyinkinga nami vele mzala bezibuya. Bezibuya kama ngisho yazivele mina zangifihle. Kuyanyika. Kodwa mina at ngiyakhuluma. Ngale mzala kuwesi. That's why mzala besingalali ngo2. Akekho famous into emlimaza ayugela ukuthi yena makabuka lo girl unyatha lo girl uyamnyatha u20 pondo wethu
Mina unachaja mfethu unyaka iflex
uthi angazi khaya umuntu umposte uthi kule What's the voice note here? Tell her. Tell her ukuthi bo akasi next yakho uma numenza nje mtshela umfana naye yeah mina nomkami
Aibo
And also do take a listen at Mawizi instructing her hubby on what to say breaking up with this girl.
No, tell her that you don't want to be with her, you don't want to see her, and I have a fucking address, okay?
La nginomfazi, we tried to build a future. Ngiyacela. Cela uphume empilweni zethu. Thank you.
No, tell her that you don't want to be with her, you don't want to see her, and I have a fucking address, okay? And her stupid ass that whatever you guys were doing together, it is over. And I'm not going to leave you for a rat that stays in Turffontein. A stupid girl of Fasipondo, or you thought it was good enough for you to come. You tell her that you're not interested in that shit. Because she's shit. And you tell her that she's shit. She was only good for then. She's not something you're going to build a future with because she's a fucking asshole.
Do share your thoughts in the comment section, and also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.